Welcome back to Car Reviews, where we bring you the most unique, bold, and futuristic machines on wheels. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the legendary Type 59 tank, reimagined for 2025. Yes, you heard that right. This is not your average military hardware anymore. The Type 59 2025 edition blends historical power with a stunning modern design that's turning heads far beyond the battlefield. Let's talk design first. The 2025 variant of the Type 59 has undergone a luxurious transformation. Finished in a flawless matte white paint with polished chrome accents, it looks less like a war machine and more like a piece of modern art. It's currently being showcased in a luxury showroom. Glossy marble floors reflecting its angular body, surrounded by soft LED lighting that highlights every detail. The traditional ruggedness of the tank has been preserved, but elevated with a premium touch that makes it feel like a luxury vehicle made for power, prestige, and presence. Under the hood, or should we say under the armor, the Type 59 2025 doesn't disappoint. While official military specs are confidential, our sources suggest it's been upgraded with hybrid propulsion technology, offering both diesel and electric capabilities. This not only boosts its range, but also reduces noise, making it stealthier and more efficient. The ride quality? Surprisingly smooth for a 45-ton beast. Advanced suspension systems allow this tank to glide, yes, glide, over various terrains with a level of control unheard of in earlier versions. Now step inside, and you'll be even more surprised. The interior of the Type 59 2025 is a fusion of command-grade control panels and luxury comfort. Think fighter jet cockpit meets high-end SUV. Digital displays, touchscreen navigation, biometric access, leather-trimmed seats. This is no longer just a machine of war. It's a statement of technological luxury. And the cabin? Surprisingly spacious, designed not just for function, but comfort during long missions. Or, let's be honest, even as a collector's showpiece. When it comes to tech, the 2025 Type 59 is equipped with state-of-the-art surveillance, thermal optics, and AI-assisted targeting systems. But what makes it different is how all this tech is now housed in a body that wouldn't look out of place in a sci-fi movie. It's a machine that respects its roots while boldly stepping into the future. So who is this tank for? Realistically, the 2025 Type 59 is aimed at collectors, museums, and perhaps even private security firms with a taste for armored luxury. But more than that, it's a testament to what happens when engineering meets imagination. That's it for today's episode on Car Reviews. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the luxurious beast that is the Type 59 Tank 2025, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more bold machines coming your way, from the wildest supercars to the most unexpected luxury rides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.